Of course, it's always a challenge because each show needs to be different from the previous one, and each show needs to entertain the audience on the same level, so it's always a challenge, of course. On top, we have the preparation process that is going on right now. It is 2 days of work on site, so we need to install each and every product here in the port. Main job is the design of the show, so I need to make sure that everything is very well synchronized with the soundtrack, and that effects that we use match the emotional level of the soundtrack as well.